Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to add translation to the custom label. Okay, let's get started. So first of all, click on this setup icon, gear icon. Then here you can see the setup. Then click on setup. In quick find box, search for custom label. Open this custom label. Yeah. So in my org, there is only one custom label, but maybe in your org there are so many custom label. So if you wanted to add translation to custom label, then pick the correct one custom label. So I want to add translation for this title name of page custom label. So I'll open it. Yeah. So after opening this custom label, here you can see the translation section. Okay. So then click on this new button and here you can see the translation. So these are the languages which are available for translation to this custom label. So I will make another video where I will explain you how this language comes, from where is the setting to enable the languages for the translation. So please keep watch on my videos. Yeah. So I wanted to add translation, German translation for this custom label title name. So let's check the German translation. Okay. So this is the German translation for title name. So I will add here. Okay. Yeah. Then click on save. Yeah. So now the German translation is added for this custom label. So if you have used this custom label in LWC component, then whenever the page language gets changed to German, so it will automatically changes the custom label value into German language. So in this way, you can add a translation to the custom label. Yeah, thanks. Please subscribe my channel and do let me know if you have any queries. Please add your comments to this video. I'll definitely reply your comments. Thanks.